Alright, we're changing out some brake pads in an '07 Camry. All you're gonna need 14. Take out the caliper bolt. Yep. Once that's in, flip it up. Yep. Push back that. Brake tool. That's it. Done. Change the damn rotor too because it's pretty cut up. But yeah, that's all. But in order to take this off and tighten it up, sometimes you're gonna need that 17. This is a 17 on the inside. 14 on the outside. You have to do this stupid crap right here. Shave one down if you don't got it. 17. Grind it down. Make it thin enough so you can fit these thick, this thick bitch right here. Thick. Look at that. Now it's thin. Right in here. Boop. See it? Sorry about my camera work, sucks. Now I can fit it. Oh, like that? You like that? Yep. Boom. Done. So hold it there. Boom. That goes there. 14. That's it.